little research on your website, and it looks like you've got some pretty nice customers. Tell us how you got into getting these people as customers. Obviously, you've got to have great photography skills and videography
Yep.
skills, but how do you get in front of people like that?
I work with some big companies like Apple, Adobe, Dell, Nike, AT&T. And the thing that you have to remember when you're booking big clients is that there are real people behind those brands and those names, and they're the ones that book you. It's not the companies that book you, it's the people that book you. So it's all about finding the creators that are already working with those people and then connecting with them. So in my case, the Dell and the Nike connection was through a photographer that I know that was shooting for them, and he needed a video component to his campaign. So that's how I ended up working for those particular brands. And I already knew him through some work that I had done with him previously.
Okay,
So it was like a continuation of a relationship with this photographer, and then he got the brand deals, and therefore so did I.
awesome. Uh, is there a little added pressure when you've got a company like that you're working for, or did it help that you had a friend working with them already?
I think when you are working with a big brand, there is a lot of oversight, and there's also a lot more people on the team than you may be used to if you're working with smaller brands. So there is a lot of pressure, but there's also a lot more steps that you go through in the process of creating something. So the company and the ambassadors from the company or the creatives from the company are usually involved from day one, setting the creative, going over the ideas, brainstorming, shot listing, storyboards, all the way through the final edit. And you're not alone. You have a bigger team usually. So you have multiple shooters, you have specialized departments. Because when you're doing it by yourself, there is that possibility of, oh, like I missed a shot and we can't go back and get it because the
Right.
moment's passed. Or oh gosh, I showed up to set and I didn't bring any memory cards or something, um if you have more people to like check you on that, if you have a producer and all this other stuff that working with a bigger company brings, then you have people to do that for you so that you can focus on the creative or whatever it is that you're doing for that particular shoot.